Took a ride out to the swap meet this morning, tried to see what kind of stuff I could find. I was able to pick up a new welding helmet. Yeah. Miller Digital Infinity. I was able to pick it up for 20 bucks. So I'm gonna throw some batteries in it, see if we can get her fired up. It's like a $500 welding helmet, so I think I did pretty good if it works. First thing I gotta do is remove this bezel. Then another shield. There's two tabs at the bottom, you press them down and then push this outward. And then on each side, little battery doors. It takes 2 batteries. This particular helmet takes CR2450. Jesus. All right. Now that I got these batteries out, just slip in here, positive side. It's got an indicator on it right here. Uh-oh. Looks like it works. Well, I got a couple little things I got to replace, but I think I did pretty good on this. Swap meet score.